Hey hipsters! Today I will be showing you my hair travel tips and essentials. I love to break down my travel needs into 3 categories: organization, styling tools, and products. Packing cubes and small bags like my Glam Bag are so convenient when traveling. They help maximize space and give everything a home. There's the thing about traveling that I just love doing my hair more often than on a regular day. Maybe it's for all the photo ops. So my favorite styling tools is the T3 Whirl Trio and their straightener. The T3 Whirl Trio is a convertible curling iron. It is so convenient because they have so many barrel sizes and you don't need to pack them all. You just pick your favorites and go. We can pack all of these styling tools along with your travel brush, your teasing brush, your hair clips, and your coconut oil. I love this Kopari coconut oil because it lets you pack less. It is such a versatile item. You can use that as a hair mask, as makeup remover, as body moisturizer. Opportunities are endless. I have this cute little travel blow dryer. It is from Eva NYC and it is way better than your hotel blow dryers. It's a lot more powerful and it is really, really light. I also have this little tiny styling tool. It's like a mini straightener and I love to use this for the front of my hair just for quick little touch-ups on the go. And they both fit perfectly into their little pouch. Travel-friendly products are a must. I love taking my Glam Bag. All of their products are travel-friendly, which are perfect when traveling. I usually love to put in my dry shampoo. I can't live without it. Texturizing spray, a volume spray, which is more of a sea salt, a conditioning spray, and a body and hair oil from the way. Next, I have this little container box from Michaels. It comes with little dividers, which you can customize to your own needs. It's perfect to take all of your hair accessories like your rubber bands, bobby pins, hair accessories, or any other knickknacks that could get lost in your travel bag. So next must, TSA approved travel bottles. I am not a fan of hotel shampoo and conditioners, so travel bottles are a must. I love to put in my favorite conditioners and shampoo into these little travel bottles, and yeah, just don't forget to label them. I also pack a shower cap so my hair lasts longer, and I pack everything into a packing pouch. There you have it, guys. These are my favorite hair products and traveling tips. Let me know in the comments below what products you take when traveling. Bye guys!